Keep your applause going for our next poet coming to the stage. This is Andrew Carruthers.
Stories of kids on fad diets, news headlines of worldwide riots, of AIG threatening to sue, of unemployment hitting a 70-year high. What can we do? Of another lonely soul ODing on Percocet. Are you listening yet? I hope so. What do you think? Is this good, bad, or just so-so? Because I have a needle in one hand and a thread in the other, and I'm trying to sew you a blanket. Something to keep you warm during the harsh, cold winter of reality, something to cover up life's triviality. But you run outside, feel the snow against your face, you're trying to find a white-collar escape to your tie-dye problem. Remember the needle and thread? Well, they're not yet dead. No, instead, they're fierce at work on a magic carpet capable of taking you away to a place you'll want to stay. We'll fly together high over the frosty Swiss mountaintops, down alongside the rabbit that hops all the way to his rabbit hole. Come follow me, I'll take you on a journey, the rabbit muses. Down deep into the ground we'll venture, surrounded by various illusions of rubies and emeralds stacked 3 stories high. Beneath sweeping arches of gold we'll fly until we emerge into a clear night sky with a view of 3 million distant galaxies. A stitch in time saves 9, but a stitch in the space-time continuum can save your mind. The carpet has 999,999 stitches. The scratchy wool produces just as many itches. Itches to explore the stars in her eyes and the cosmos in her hand. Because tonight at the bar, at the restaurant at the end of the universe, she's not a secretary, she's a visionary. Eyes bright as the sun she stares into and hopes to one day carry home from the hospital. Surrounded by planetary orbs, you'll begin to absorb for the first time the true context of your journey. Run your hands over the fabric of the carpet stitched from the threads of your mind. Realize what you've created is really quite divine, because you don't need a white line or a bottle of red wine to provide hours of endless elation. Simply fly with me and open up your imagination.
Andrew Carruthers. My man, give it up one more time. That's what this is about. Open up your imagination. Open up our imagination. And poetry has the power to do that. And it has the power to get us to look beyond these boxes. And so thank you for that. That was beautiful.